Is your Android phone's battery icon too tiny to see? You're not alone, and the good news is you can make it bigger in just 1 minute without downloading any apps. Here's how to do it. Open your phone settings and scroll all the way down to About Phone. Now look for build number or software version. Tap it 7 times until you see a message that says you are now a developer. If your phone asks for your PIN or password, enter it. Next, go back to the main settings screen and use the search bar to type developer options. Tap on it, then scroll down to the section called Drawing. Inside, you'll see an option called Smallest Width. This number controls how big or small everything on your screen looks, including your battery and status bar icons. If your number says something like 392 or 360, try changing it to a smaller number, like 300. Tap OK and check your status bar. Your icons should instantly appear larger and much easier to see. You can experiment a bit. Use values between 300 and 400 until you find the size that looks best for your eyes. And that's it. You just made your Android battery and signal icons bigger without installing any third-party apps. It's quick, easy, and works on most Android phones. If this video helped you fix your tiny icons, hit like before you subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss our next Android tips and tricks.